doing something. Look at the tree root. It's next day. Chef. Boy, all cool lives on the wiener duty. Looking snazzy. Probably done now. Oh, she got the tree root. Get the skog, frig. Skog, frig. Whee. See how burnt these wieners are. Oh, ain't bad. Oh, that one's bad. Oh my god. Yeah, they're done. Okay. Oh yeah. Gorgeous wieners on some white bread with some Hellman's real mayonnaise. That's right. Alrighty, boys. We are now on water duty. Tea time. It's tea time.
Holy shit, that's just in that cup?
Yep.
Or did you do 2 cups? So you can have one.
No, that's 1 cup. Alrighty, we'll see how this works. Oh yeah, look at all that. Oh no, oh my goodness. Perfect. You did so good.
Do you want tea?
No. I'll just drink yours.
Okay.
So those 2 hot dogs just weren't enough for me, so I went ahead and whipped up one of these bad boys. We've seen a more perfectly grilled piece of bread, a true piece of art, bled over charcoal. It's just, there's nothing better than that. It's just too good. Too good for your own good. What are you doing? Silly girl. Well, boys, I made the mistake of drinking her tea because now it made me remember how good it is. So now I got mine boiling in there. What's the matter with you, huh? You stuck? Yeah, you're stuck, aren't you? Hello, duck.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Duck boy.
So cute.
I said, what is that?
Yeah, see, I was right over there in that opening and he was right here.
Oh.
And I was staring at him and he just walked and goes. And then we just stared and then I said, I have a question. Where are you headed? And he
Awesome.
goes, to the parking lot.
Ah, so you thought that we had to walk from there all... Ooh. Mm.
Yeah, I thought like, yeah.
God. I bet there's gonna be a waterfall. Oh man. We got a sign over here. It says Stacy's mom does anal.
Does it really?
Yeah. Awesome. It's a sign. Very pretty.
This is the longest mile we've ever walked, honey.
Oh, this is only a mile?
Yes.
Oh shit.
The sign said what we're going for, and the mile from that sign. It said 1 with an arrow.
I don't believe it.
It's just a rock. Come on.
Don't be scared of the rock.
Dude, she's petrified of this rock. Come on, it's okay.
Probably because it looks like a grill. Oh, you put your muddy paw on my shoe and you're laying in the mud. Get up. Fucking mud dog. Got mud on my forehead.
Alright, let's go.
She was really wanting something in here earlier.
In there?
Yeah.
Did you get me sliding like that on video?
I might have.
Did you see me run into that stick?
Barely. More cave cracks. Did she say about 20 more minutes?
20%. 20% more.
Oh, okay. Kilroy Squidward boy. Damn. What are you doing? That's a big fucking rock.
It's not just a rock.
It's a boulder. Archer and A-bands. If you something like it, then something something. Shirley George, 2022. Oh yeah, who was right? Me. There's people behind it.
Okay, I think this just goes down.
Right.
And now you got jump down.
Whee!
No! Wait!
She's gonna drag her ass down there.
Now she's gonna hang herself.
That too. Yeah. Yeah. small step swimming. Whoa, that's cold. Where are you going? Nope, you're not eating the butterfly. No.
Yeah.
I made myself a sandwich.
Get it, Suka. Get it.
Oh my god. What are you doing? Suka! Like it?
I like it.
Come on, let's go swimming. Unless you're chicken. You chicken. Flap your wings, chicken.
You leave her alone.
So good. Oh my goodness, she's swimming.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
There we go.
She's swimming. She didn't know that she's swimming. I mean, that's what it is.
Look at you go.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh, fuck. Camera had its first fall. Camera had its first fall because its leg fell off. Now there's sand in the bottom of it. That's gonna be fun to clean.